Hello, welcome to Tuesday Recipes. Want to do every Tuesday a recipe that falls into the keto eating plan. Um, I've been trying to do a different recipe for a while, but I just couldn't get motivation to get that one done. Just I couldn't get around to make. I'd buy the stuff and then not get around to making it. So eventually, after 4 or 5 times of buying the stuff to make it, and the stuff goes bad before I get motivation to make it, I just kind of took it. You know what? I'm not making it, so I'll go ahead and move on to the next recipe. This recipe is I don't know the pronunciation on this. Aubergine, aubergine, and red bell pepper curry. I think I looked up, and aubergines are eggplants. So, but who knows? Maybe someone's gonna get cranky at my pronunciation at aubergine and try to correct it, so I get more comments on my videos. So let's get into cooking here. Okay, here's all what's in it. Starting off with 1 large onion, 2 medium aubergines. I think that's 1 large one and 1 small one, but I think that'll balance out to me. Anyway, 3 red bell peppers, 28 ounces of diced tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, some fresh cilantro, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. First thing I'm going to do is get everything cut up and grind it up and get that started. Okay, I got the olive oil heated up here. Probably got it too hot there, but anyway, just I'll add in onions. I'll let those cook for a while, just let those get softened up. Okay, the onions have been cooking for a while now. Pretty sure they're mostly done now. So now I'll add in the aubergines. Ooh. Big old pan's not big enough. Okay. And the red bells. Get that mixed up. Okay, had to transfer to this pot because that pan was not big enough. So get that stirred in, and now I'll go ahead and add in the spices and garlic. And the ginger. I'll get that mixed up. Okay, I got that more or less all mixed in, and now I'll just let that sit for 3 minutes. Okay, that's been sitting for 3 minutes on heat there, so I'll go ahead and add in the tomatoes. I'll get that mixed up. Okay, that's all mixed up now, so I'm going to raise it up, the temperature up to high until it starts boiling, which did not take very long, but probably because it's already cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it down to low and cover it. It didn't say cover, but it said to try to keep moisture in. So anyway, set timer for 10 minutes. Ooh, not 15. Set timer for 10 minutes, and then said add more water to it if it gets too thick. So I'll just keep an eye on that for the next 10 minutes. Alright, there's what it looks like after 10 minutes. Kind of thought it would be more soupy. The picture on the website looked a lot more like soup. Anyway, makes 4 servings, so I'll go ahead and get those bowled. Okay, the recipe just says put some coriander on top. I don't know if that's just garnish or something, but I'll go ahead and add that on there. And all over the countertop too. I want to spill it all over the floor. It's very important to spill it all over the floor. Anyway, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, the picture on the website looked a lot more like soup than this is. I don't know if curry is supposed to be a soup or just the veggie chunks to go over the rice. But yeah, it says to serve with rice. Regular rice isn't very keto, but there is cauliflower rice I've been thinking about picking up and trying out. But yeah, there's a vegan keto curry. Quickly crafted keto curry created without killing creatures or containing creatures. So yeah, it smells good. The cutting up the eggplants or aubergines or whatever you call them smell a lot like cucumbers. So yeah, these kind of soft cucumbers. So anyway, that's the recipe for this week. Hopefully, I'm getting back in the habit of making recipes. But yeah, thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Like, subscribe, and check out my Patreon and all that stuff. Thank you.